Everyone is familiar with yaomak, right? Are they all fried and eaten? Let's no stir fry and make yaomak salad. This salad is crunchy and appetizing. It's delicious. I share delicious recipe every day. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel waiting for you. If you like cooking, follow me now so you can check them out for inspiration for your next cooking. Chopped chilies. Soak yaomak in salt water for 20 minutes, then drain and cut into section. Prepare seasoning sauce by adding oyster sauce, light soy sauce, black vinegar, chicken powder, and sugar. Mix sauce with yaomak and plate it. Delicious yaomak salad is done. Look at the green yaomak, it's so fresh and appetizing. Give it a try, you will love this salad too. Save this recipe and follow my channel so you may refer back anytime you like in the future. There are more than 1,000 of recipes waiting for you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.